Jambo, welcome to another session of Kurga Tariq Finance and Accountancy Tutorials. Remember, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and you also ring the notification bell. Please also share this video with as many friends as possible so that we can benefit all of us from these free tutorials. Our required part 2 is that we are required to to extract a trial balance as at 31st January 2021. And the trial balance is as simple as 1, 2, 3. It doesn't require the double entry rule of accounting. You just take the balances as they are. For instance, for capital account, you take the 950,000. You write the 950 on the credit side of the trial balance. As simple as that. This is how to extract a trial balance. Let's go. Celia Atieno trial balance as at, just write how it is, as at 31st January 2021. So this is debit side and this is credit side. Are we together? So this is simply what we have here. You have capital account, cash account, sales account, and so forth. So this is what to go about the same. So we have the capital account of what amount? Is it debit or credit? It is on the credit side of 950. So in short, you are taking these balances to the trial balance. The balance brought down to the trial balance. So this is 950,000 for capital account, on the credit side 950,000. Right, and then we have the cash account. You can write cash account. Cash account, how much? We had 598,000 on the debit side. This debit side, balance brought down is on the debit side. So you write cash account 598 on the debit side. Then we have, so you're done with purchase, you're done with cash. Let's move to purchases. So write purchases. Purchase account, it's debit side of 712,000. 12,000. Then we have another account is Jonesy. You can go with Jonesy. Jonesy account. Jonesy has got credit of 353,000. It's here. It is on the credit, and the balance brought down is what you're taking there. 353,000. Right, and then we have the Jonesy. We come to sales account. So these happen. Then we have Jonesy. Then we have sales account is on the credit side 348,000. 348,000 on the credit side, and then sales returns account. Sales returns account were 11,000, right? You can just go back and find out. And then we had Swaju Limited. So I wanted to combine the sales and these ones, so I wanted to show them differently. So Swaju Limited, Swaji account was 56,000, isn't it? 56,000 on the debit side. And then we have the Motovan account. How much? Debit of 256,000 shillings. 56,000 shillings. And then we have Swan Limited. Swan Limited is balancing, so there's no need of taking to the trial balance. Zero balance cannot be taken there, right? So we have the bank account in our next item. Bank account. The bank account is credit of 147,000. I know many may ask why the bank account has got credit balance. Maybe the account was overdrawn. An overdraft in the bank account is treated as a liability, right? And a liability has got credit balance. Increasing the liability, increase on the credit side. Are we together? So don't be shocked to find the bank account having the credit balance. That most probably was an overdraft. So we move to next item is motor expenses. We have motor expenses. Motor expenses of how much? Debit of 12,000. Then you have who else? Paris Traders. We have Paris debit. Paris is debit of 24,000. And then we have Calvary debit of 8,000. Debit of 8,000 shillings. And then we have Finlay Limited. Finlay is 68,000 on the debit side. And then we have okay, Da Vinci is balanced, so there is no balance. We're going to take to the trial balance. And then we had, remember, you have the drawings account, the column that we deleted. We had the drawings, which had the debit balance of 4,400, and then we had the stationery of 4,000 shillings, isn't it? So what have we forgotten here? I think nothing. So if you add these are trial balance, the debit side must be equal to the credit side. The balances on the debit side must be equal to the balances on the credit side. If you find that you have any difference, that means that there's something that you've not done correctly. So if we add all these items on the credit side, the total is 1,865,000, 1,865,000, which must be the same with the debit side of 1,065,000. Yes, so that is how to go about the same. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how to open the ledger accounts, balancing them off and taking the balances to the relevant, taking their balances to the trial balance. So I want to believe it's clear. Please, if there's something that you feel that you've not understood, please replay this video as many times as possible so that you get to understand. Or still, you can contact me via the contact details appearing in the introduction of this video, or you can as well comment on the comment section. Just give a comment or ask a question there, and I will respond appropriately. So until next time, it's goodbye for now. Bye.